Arkansas's highest court has ruled in favor of the state in a case involving the governor's cornerstone LEARNS Act.
Yeah, with today's ruling, the LEARNS Act, which has been on hold, can now go back into effect, continuing the Department of Education's work.
5 News reporter Jose Carranza is digging into opinions from today's ruling and is speaking to the organization opposing the Education Reform Acts.
And thanks, guys. While it's being touted as a disappointment or a win for either side, there's still a long legal battle ahead for the LEARNS Act. The Supreme Court voted 5-2 to remove a temporary restraining order on the LEARNS Act, but left the rest of this case in the hands of the Circuit Court. The Supreme Court of Arkansas's ruling immediately removes a temporary restraining order on LEARNS Act, meaning it can go back into effect. Arkansas Attorney General Tim Griffin and Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders both call this a huge win for parents, teachers, and children of the state.
As an organization, we disagree that they're on the removal of the temporary restraining order.
Veronica McLean is the chair of the Citizens for Arkansas Public Education and Students, or CAPES, the group opposing the LEARNS Act in this case. They argue that there was no separate roll call vote for the emergency clause, putting the act into effect immediately. Justice Rhonda Wood cites journals that each house is constitutionally required to record its proceedings. This despite CAPES claiming there was no vote based on video of lawmakers' proceedings.
The people of Arkansas are expected to follow the rules, and we're held to that standard. And so I would expect our elected officials to do the same.
And while the only thing separating the implementation of the LEARNS Act is just a couple of months, that time period plays a big role for CAPES as they gather signatures for a referendum looking to put LEARNS to a statewide vote.
If there's not an emergency clause and we get our petition completed and we put LEARNS on the ballot, nothing with LEARNS goes into effect until the people vote for or against it. Our state motto is the people rule. And so that is what we're trying to give the citizens of Arkansas an opportunity to do. They should have a say on whether or not LEARNS happens or doesn't.
While the state can now immediately begin implementing the LEARNS Act, being proclaimed as a win by the state's governor and attorney general, a hearing is only days away.
We are looking forward to our day in court on Tuesday on the 20th. And so we know that based on the facts of the case and the facts of the matter, that we feel pretty confident that the emergency clause will be ruled against and that we can move forward with what we need to do.
Now, we are reaching out to local districts to see how today's ruling would impact them, but have not heard back. Jose Carranza, 5 News.